Am I the only one that didn't know nature could be this cool? Buckle up, we're going on an adventure. Fact number 1. Trees can communicate using a fungi network called the Wood Wide Web. Fact number 2. Some plants can make music. The banana plant generates ultrasonic sound waves to grow. Fact number 3. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Fact number 4. Starfish have no brains but can perform complex tasks using their nervous system. Fact number 5. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Thanks for tuning in, nature aficionados. Stay curious and keep exploring. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.